Kumquats looks like little oranges. They are small, but they are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Kumquats has been used for home remedies for sore throats. The skin of the kumquats are tender, so the skin is totally edible. You can just bite into them to enjoy, but you might find a little bit sour inside. So today, I'm gonna make honey marinade with kumquats. I'm using half cup of kumquats, and I'm going to slice them. There is a relatively big seeds in the kumquats. Let's remove them. I'm using toothpicks. If your kumquats comes with a stem, let's remove them also. You can cut them into halves or wedges or whatever you like, but I like the slices because the thinner, the better the honey gets. Now I'm going to transfer this into a clean jar and fill the jar with about quarter cup of honey. The kumquats honey ratio doesn't matter, so add honey until all the kumquats is submerged in honey. I'm using my knife to fill the bottom of the jar with honey. Now let's screw the lid and refrigerate overnight. Next day, you get tender and sweet kumquats. There should be juice extracted from kumquats, and the liquid should become like a syrup. You can enjoy as is, but today I'm going to share how I like to use them in two ways. First one is making kumquat honey tea. Into a cup, I'm going to add a kumquat honey marinade and a sprinkle of ginger powder. You can use raw sliced ginger instead or just powder like me. And let's add hot water and your kumquat tea is ready. This is a perfect tea when you're feeling under the weather, keeping you warm and soothing your throat. Add more honey if necessary to make it sweeter. The other way to enjoy the kumquat marinade is to use as a yogurt bowl topping. Make your regular yogurt bowl and add a kumquat honey marinade on top. Enjoy your citrus and keep yourself away from cold and flu. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!